Taking my ginger shot with some grape juice. I want a couple things from my little snap story today.
First floor. Okay, just
I haven't ate something like this in so long. He was rescued from an animal testing center.
I gotta get photos of all of you.
Such a pretty color. Oh, thank you.
I thought you were gonna do one of those slides.
I'm not corny like that.
Lex, yes you are.
No, I'm not.
Look at the shoes. Look at the fit.
All year staying disciplined and locked in, it's paying off. Now we feel like new people. Now we get to go back into the world.
And do better.
Do better.
Have fun doing it.
And have fun doing it. Being reborn again. We had a rebirth. I think a lot of people did. I already ate something bad, so I can eat one more thing bad until I go, and then I'll go back on my diet to heal my gut. But since I already ate Monty's today, that means I should eat one more meal. And a new vegan restaurant opened up that's Italian, and I really want to try it. And I won't be able to eat it any other day because this is my last day that I'm eating my cheap food meals. So
I mean, we're already here. Yeah.
we're already here. Let's go.
shows me the like image. I'm like,
Wait a second. This is fire. You guys gotta come here and try this when you're in LA, the vegan menu.
Show me what you do when the lights get low. I'm so good, but you're not the only one on my mind.
Surrender is the willingness to trust in the intelligence of life, that everything is happening for my highest good. It's that willingness to say, I will use every experience for my soul's growth and evolution.
Got me my steak dinner tonight. I like it red. Don't overcook it.
Taste so sweet like caramel. Girl, your skin it shines.
The deeper I go, the less choice I have, the freer I feel. The more an ego I was, the more choice I thought I had, the more limited I was.